what is pH? We have discussed acids and alkalis and common acids and alkalis found in everyday life and in the lab, but we have not discussed how were these substances classified as such. There is a quantity called pH, and pH is what is used to determine if a substance is an acid or an alkali. I'm going to go on to define what pH is. pH, which is a quantity, is a measure of how acidic or basic a substance is. I'll be using the term basic and alkaline alternately as we move throughout the topic. Essentially at your level, I'm going to say they mean the same thing for now, right? So generally, right? So we say that pH is a measure of how acidic or basic, or even the word alkaline, right, a substance is. That means solutions must have a pH. Any solution must have a pH, and depending on the pH, this will tell us if the substance is acidic or basic. That must mean that there must be a value by which a solution would be determined to be acidic, as well as a specific value or range of values by which a solution would be determined to be basic. These range of values are what we call a pH scale. So there's a minimum and a maximum, and we say that the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. So any solution to which its pH is determined, its pH value must range between 0 to 14. I'm going to break up this pH scale into 3 regions. And the 3 regions are that a pH of 0 to less than 7 would be acidic. A pH of 7 is said to be neutral, and a pH of greater than 7 to 14 is said to be basic. So what we're going to do is take down the notes from the screen, and you're going to take down the numbers 0 to 14 and indicate on this pH scale what the ranges mean. So a solution with a pH of 0 to less than 7 is said to be an acid. There must be solutions which are neither acidic nor basic. Think of water, which is neutral, and water would have a pH of 7. And a solution which has a pH of greater than 7 to 14 is said to be basic.